Okay, I'm about to surprise Xander with his go-kart Walmart sent him. It's a Razor Dune Buggy. He has no idea he's getting it. What's this? What is this? What does Daddy got?
A go-kart.
Do you see it? What is it?
It's an electric go-kart.
What is that?
It's an electric go-kart.
I don't know, is it better than your little pedal power one? Oh, he's off! He already knows what he's doing. Look at him go.
Wow, kiddo.
Okay, zero tutorial needed. And he's gone. Well,
Do you know how to brake?
we'll send him college money. Xander, use the brake! Pull the brake. No, he doesn't even know how to use the brake yet. Good job. Okay, turn around, go the other way. He's got it. He's got it, mama. Look at him go. Oh my gosh, duck the water, right?
No kidding.
Hey,
So
thanks,
happy.
Walmart. I appreciate you sending my son a go-kart. And
Thank you.
and the second one that's on the porch he doesn't know about. It's a red one. So
so excited.
they sent us 2 go-karts, freaking Walmart. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Well, I mean, I thought there's gonna be more tutorial to this, but apparently he's got it all figured out already. Didn't even have to tell him nothing.
Oh my gosh.
All right, come around. Turn around. All right, punch it, kiddo. Give the beans.
Nice.
Whee! And he's gone. Oh, he loves it. He absolutely loves it.
All smiles.
You gonna do some donuts? He's not even listening. He's like in his own little
He's
world right
doing
now.
woohoos. I haven't heard him do woohoos in a while.
Yeah, woohoos. This is new.
I'm a buggy racer.
Is that full speed, buddy?
Yeah.
Look at you go. Technically, that thing's only good for about 140 pounds, but I got on it at 290 and was able to ride it over to him. I probably wouldn't do it again. The motor was like, ah! But it did it. I'm actually surprised that it did it.
Yeah.
So much fun.
So much fun.
Guys, so much fun.
Hey, Xander, drive up on the curb over here.
You can do it.
You can do it, buddy. Drive on the curb. There you go. Get up there. Okay, that was the first good attempt. Feeling the waters. Oh, what happened? You crashed your go-kart.
I wasn't even thinking this was probably that little car.
Well, any good race car driver is gonna crash a go-kart. I mean, it's gonna happen.
Oh, good. That's just a weed.
Let's go ahead and pull it out. So grab it by the bar right there, buddy.
That'll help.
Grab it there and lift. No, he's got it. He's got it, mama. He's got to learn to get it out. There you go. Pull it.
Okay.
There you go. You're back in business.
Almost. You got
No,
one more wire.
he'll go. It's a solid axle.
Okay,
It'll
good.
work.
Okay.
It'll work. Hop on there, buddy. Hop in. All right, give her the
We
beans.
have to give you your seatbelt.
Give her the beans. Okay, he doesn't need a seatbelt. He's good. Okay, give her the beans. There you go. And he's off. Hey, buddy, drive up on the curb now. There you go. You got it. Good job. Go off the curb. Go off the curb. Steer. Go off it. Go off it. Yeah. He's got race car suspension, mama. Well, Hawk Pedal Kart, we had a good run. You served Xander well for the last year, but now you're obviously never going to be ridden again, so we're going to go ahead and throw you up on the for sale group because he's got new love in his life. It's called Razor Dune Buggy.
So I'm gonna tell people about the go-kart.
You going to tell people about the go-karts?
Okay, so this is my old go-kart. It's my pedal go-kart. And now look at this baby.
This baby?
So fast. It just so fast.
Is it just so fast?
Yeah, and it's electric.
Yeah. Which do you like better?
I like the electric one.
That's the better one? So should we give the old one away to somebody who needs it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here, why don't you go race some more?
Okay. Do it.
Because you got like 45 minutes of battery life, so get after it, kiddo. Go! And he's off. Oh, he's shied away from the curb. Did you see that?
Yeah.
He's thinking about it.
I think he just really likes driving it.
Yep. Look at him putzing along. There you go, go buddy, go. Yeah, I love that it goes through grass.
That was so cute. That was bumpy.
Oh, poor green go-kart.
You were good to us.
You get no love. You're good to us. But now you're going to go to somebody who's less fortunate.
There you go. Next time, commit.
Here we go. The recovery is underway. All right, push it back. There you go. Good job. Okay, good to go. Hop in.
That.
And go. Le Mans start. This is a perfect little go-kart, huh, Xander? Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going. So Xander, what are you gonna name your buggy?
I'm gonna name my go-kart the Fast Buggy because it's fast.
It's gonna be the fast buggy?
Yeah.
Are you pretty happy?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy that I got an electric go-kart.
Can you say thank you, Walmart, for sending me a go-kart?
Thank you, Walmart, for sending me a go-kart.
Say you're the bestest.
You're the best.
Okay, now go ride and have fun, kiddo. They need to make that in an adult version. All right, Xander had to go inside to warm up. So let's go ahead and take a look at this thing really quick. So it's called a Razor Dune Buggy. It's actually got inflated tires, which I thought was cool. That's fake suspension though. They just add that to make it look like a Dune Buggy. Really strong steel frame. 290 pounds. I sat on it. It didn't bend at all. I didn't even bottom out the suspension on the back. It has some suspension right here. If you push down on it, it gives a little bit. Everything's all stored here in the back. The batteries, the motor, and everything are all sealed. And it's got protection in case it gets rolled over. It's got a really cool shock system too. It looks adjustable. Just on-off switch, charging port. Good to go. The way you drive it, that's throttle, and it's analog, so you can go a little or a lot. And it's got brakes on it, and the brakes are absolutely phenomenal. They even stopped that immediately with me on it. So it's actually engineered really, really well. I'm surprised. Razor, well done. Well done. And the best part, Walmart sent us two for some reason. So they just said Merry Christmas. So we got a blue and a red one. So now Xander can race with his friends. Seriously, Walmart, you guys are the absolute best. You made this kid's Christmas like you would not even believe.
Daddy, hurry up and edit the video. I'm so excited to see it.
Can you calm your body just a little bit?
No,
You can't?
I just so.
He's pestering me because I'm in the middle of editing the video on my cell phone using Adobe Rush, and he can't wait, so he keeps peeking around the corner. Go in the living room. Be patient. I just wanted to say thank you once again to Walmart for honestly making my son's Christmas. That little guy is the world to me. And honestly, I haven't seen him this happy in a very long time. So you guys completely just turned his world upside down and made his Christmas. So thank you, Walmart, for everything that you did. Thank you, everybody, for watching this video. This is the first video I've actually fully edited in Adobe Rush on my iPhone XS Max. It actually went fairly smoothly. This might be something that I do before, or do again. So interesting. Oh, here the cat would like to say hi. Say hello, kitty. Say hello. Yeah, you didn't get a go-kart. She just wants some water from the faucet. Anyways, guys, thank you for everything. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, you know what to do. More videos coming down the pipeline. Just been trying to get through the holidays and everything that's going on. What are you doing, cat? She's like trying to reach up and whack the phone. Stop! Anyways, I had to come in here in the bathroom to shoot this because Xander seriously cannot stop pestering me no matter how much I tell him not to because he wants to see this video. So I better wrap it up and hit this button to stop it and so I can upload it and he can watch it on the big TV because that's why I took the time to put the little subtitles and stuff in it and mess with the audio and everything because I want him to see it as a good experience. This is his first video of him riding his brand new go-kart. All right, guys, take it easy. Till next time.